Welcome to today's tutorial on the trending topic of remote work setup. As we continue to navigate the world of hybrid work, it's crucial to create a home office that boosts focus and productivity. Did you know that 75% of professionals prefer working from home at least one day a week, but only 30% report being highly productive while doing so? The challenge lies in setting up a space that encourages focus, minimizes distractions, and fosters a healthy work-life balance. When it comes to creating an effective home office, it's essential to consider the concept of the productivity loop. This involves aligning your workflow, workspace, and mindset to achieve maximum efficiency. A well-designed home office is the foundation of this loop, and I'll walk you through a simple yet effective system to set up your space for success. First, let's talk about the importance of ergonomic design. A study by the University of California, Los Angeles found that employees who worked in ergonomic offices experienced a